Good morning, viewer. Welcome to our FTV English version. Here's a really alarming news for our viewers. New findings from studying over 2 decades of satellite observations reveal that the Earth continents have experienced unprecedented freshwater loss since 2002, driven by climate change, unsustainable groundwater use, and extreme droughts. The study, led by Arizona State University and published in Science Advances, highlights the emergence of four continental scale mega drying regions and all located in northern hemisphere and warns of severe consequences for water security, agriculture, sea level rise and global stability. The research team reports that drying areas on land are expanding at a rate roughly twice the size of California every year. And the rate at which dry areas are getting drier now outpaces the rate at which wet areas are getting wetter, reversing long standing hydrological patterns. The negative implications of these for available freshwater are staggering. 75% of the world's population lives in 101 countries that have been losing freshwater for the past 22 years. According to the United Nations, the world's population is expected to continue to grow for the next 50 to 60 years. At the same time, the availability of freshwater is dramatically shrinking. The researchers identified the type of water loss on land and for the first time found that 68% came from groundwater alone, contributing more to sea level rise than glacier and ice caps on land. So these findings send perhaps the most alarming message yet about the impact of climate change on our water resources, said J. Famengletti, the study's principal investigator and a global futures professor with the ASU School of Sustainability. Continents are drying, freshwater availability is sinking, and sea level rise is accelerating. The consequences of continued groundwater overuse could undermine food and water security for billions of people around the world. Thus, is an all hand on deck movement. We need immediate action on global water security. Behind this exclusive report, FTV English, Delhi, Bharat.